Every time we tackle a dirty counter or a greasy tile, we rely on a strategy of brute physical friction combined with a bucket of harsh toxic chemicals. We press down and grind away, attempting to use sheer force to win the battle against the grime. If you look closely at what actually happens when you press a sponge into a stubborn brown stain, you aren't always removing the mess. Often, the mechanical scrubbing simply smears the oils and grease further across the surface, leaving you exhausted with very little to show for it. To solve this, we can look past macroscopic force and chemical warfare. Instead, we can utilize molecular engineering and sprays designed to interact with dirt at the level of its own construction. Achieving a perfectly spotless kitchen requires solving a specific problem of physics at a scale entirely invisible to the human eye. To understand how this works, we have to leave the everyday world behind and dive straight down past the fibers of that sponge, directly into the microscopic textures of the counter itself. Welcome to the nanoscale. Down here, materials are measured in billionths of a meter. This diagram illustrates exactly how tiny that is. If we plot a particle that is just 1 nanometer across, it looks like a microscopic speck next to this towering, screen-filling column. That massive structure is a single human hair, which measures roughly 100,000 times thicker than the particle beside it. At this extreme magnification, everyday grease stains are no longer flat smears. They are jagged structural boulders of dirt that block the path and require intelligent dismantling. When a mist of tiny nanotechnology spray floods this area, it uses physics to do the heavy lifting. This animation shows their core advantage, a high surface area to volume ratio. Breaking a large volume down into thousands of tiny cubes exposes vastly more surface area. These highly reactive particles immediately swarm the grime, forming direct physical bonds with the material. Once those connections are established, the molecular bonding energy grips the heavy structural boulders of dirt. It pulls them up and away from the counter surface, all without requiring a single stroke of physical friction. The technology leverages superior chemical bonding to separate the dirt from its environment. Beyond basic lifting, scientists can engineer these particles with specific traits, turning them into customized tools for targeting different types of mess. One variation uses specialized magnetic nanoparticles. These are designed to carefully navigate the microscopic terrain, securely locking on to the most stubborn, entrenched grease. By sweeping a magnet over the area, those dirt-bonded particles violently fly upward. The magnetic attraction rips the grime right off the surface. Catalytic nanoparticles actively dismantle the molecular chains of grease, converting them into harmless, transparent substances. By customizing the particle itself, specific stains can be targeted, neutralized on a molecular level, and cleared without manual labor. Removing the existing grime is only the first step. The technology also allows for the permanent prevention of future buildup. After the tile is clean, a final spray deposits a clear layer of specialized nanoparticles that spread out across the empty space. The particles form a tight geometric grid, creating an invisible membrane that alters the physical properties of the surface. This microscopic shield is highly resistant. When heavy droplets strike the grid, they bounce and slide off without leaving a single streak. By modifying the material at the molecular level, these coatings cause the surface to naturally reject dust and spills, maintaining cleanliness long after the initial spray. Zooming back out from that glowing microscopic terrain, we can observe the practical, human-scale impact of this science. Because these protected surfaces naturally repel water and dust, they stay clean far longer. This reduces the hours spent maintaining a home, minimizing the physical effort and the reliance on abrasive chemicals. This shift in technology replaces repetitive manual labor with engineered surface protection, allowing the physics of the coating to do the work that once required a brush. By mastering the invisible power of the nanoscale, you can finally throw away your scrub brushes and let physics do the heavy lifting. If you want to see more ways science is cleaning our world, please like, comment, and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe.